2 years ago, we found a more or less intact Thescelosaurus, which is a small plant-eating dinosaur. And that seemed like an ideal time for us to begin to operate in 3D printing. We had found a Triceratops skull. And during the process of excavating the area around the skull, which is 7 feet long, so it's a very, very big skull. During excavating in the surrounding area, we ran into a femur, which we recognized as Thescelosaurus. That was interesting in itself, but then right next to it we found 3 vertebrae, which seemed to be about the right size for Thescelosaurus. So at the time we're thinking there's got to be more to this animal. And sure enough, we found the rest of the body. That was a big breakthrough for us. But when it came to doing something with it, it turns out that assembling the whole thing would have been destructive. We would have lost bone, so we decided that it would be better for us to just do the whole thing using 3D printing. And that's where the Gigabot came in. We kept it busy day and night for a long time, printing out all those bones. Several hundred hours for the whole print. We were able to print the entire Thescelosaurus.